parking slider, it often happens that there's room for 2 cars in the garage, but only one can fit. This can be frustrating. Especially in countries like the US and the UK leaders in the number of cars per capita. To help with this, a company came up with a parking slider. You can set it up with a friend in a few hours, using the DIY kit. It can hold up to 2720 kilograms and is powered by a 0.5 horsepower motor. If the standard features don't work for you, the creators can customize one. GridPro. Now let's talk about tiles that resemble what you might see on home. Improvement shows it can hide rough, old and grimy concrete in just a few hours. Ground One's version is also user-friendly as the tiles can be easily connected by hand. There are also impressively tough, resistant to oil gasoline acids, alkalis and solvents, and can handle temperatures up to 120 degrees Celsius. Plus, they have a compressive strength of about 215 bars, even stronger than some types of concrete. It's a solid choice not just for personal garages, but also for commercial spaces. Vroom Retract Vac need to vacuum the garage and all of its contents. Here's an invisible hose that links up with existing dust extraction systems or a vacuum cleaner. The cool part is while measuring 9 to 15 meters, the hose needs little space and it automatically coils back up after use. No more fuss with untangling carrying or any of that hassle. Plus, it works well with different nozzles, so if you want, you can set up a home cleaning system using a few hoses. Powerbuilt 3-in-1 Underdash Creeper. Some companies use the 3-in-1 motto to sell coffee or shampoos, but the Powerbuilt team offers this marvel for $240. The product is basically a transformer because it offers a floor creeper perfect for getting under vehicles without hassle. An underdash creeper stay comfy instead of adopting yoga poses, and a detachable knee pad foam is definitely more convenient than asphalt concrete, or the ground the steel frame can handle. 181 kilograms, and the 6 wheels are cleverly designed. They're used to the max in floor creeper mode, but not at all in the underdash creeper mode. It looks good, but is it worth the price? BIGBOI Washer Pro here. The price goes even higher, up to $1,000, but there are solid reasons behind it. This car wash system stands out for a few key points. First off, it's one of the quietest in its category, producing less than 80 decibels of noise, about the same as a powerful vacuum cleaner on top of that. Its brushless induction technology means that it'll last 4 times longer than its competitors. With a pressure of 130 bars, a flow rate of 9.5 liters per minute, and a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius, it's hard to tell that the company was founded by a car enthusiast without any experience. UniFUX are sure that they've created an all-purpose helper for car workshops, and soon even for truck workshops. This tool does 2 jobs in one. First, it carefully unsticks a wheel from the hub if it's stuck, and second, it not only identifies any joint play, but also makes it clear to customers. UniFUX is made for wheel sizes from 550 to 800 millimeters. You can install it in seconds, and it not only saves you time and muscle power thanks to its long handle, but it also keeps your rims worry-free. BETAG's lighting systems among the various spells Harry Potter mastered. There's Lumos. It makes a light appear at the end of its wand. This spell could be useful if you happen to be a magical transportation estimator, but in the non-magical world, this lighting system can help if you need to quickly spot dents and other floors. In some ways, it's even cooler than Lumos because you can adjust the color temperature of the light, making it easy to inspect cars of any color. One charge lasts for 10 to 12 hours, and the system weighs under 2 kilograms. It's like a magic wand from the world of technology. LITESTIX L's 36SMD here is another product to light up your workspace. A diode work light, no magic involved. But the 36 LED bulbs do a great job on their own, running for 6 hours on a single charge. Polycarbonate housing is tough against shocks and has swivel mounts with built-in magnets. When needed, you can attach the light to a special frame, making it handy even under a car or during a fishing trip. This useful tool comes at a cost of $105. Finkbeiner FHB3000 looking for a lift for cars up to 3 tons that can be managed by a single person. No problem, the option you're seeing on the screen fits the bill, and the advantages don't stop there. Thanks to its smart design, the car doors can be opened at any height, and the safety system operates with both hydraulic and mechanical components. The car can be raised up to 1.8 meters, and it takes around 40 seconds to raise or lower the car. Plus, the clever rack design makes it safe to lift various vehicles, including vans, vintage cars, and compact models at the Volkswagen Beetle. MyLifter 2.0. This is the world's smartest, easiest, and best-looking garage storage system, says the MyLifter team. Their system is built for loads up to 45 kilograms, perfect for bikes, lawnmowers, and other garage items, and it's like a Lego set lift. Some platforms can work together, and there are specialized kits too. For bike enthusiasts, there's a setup to lift 3 bikes at once, and if you have a car with a removable hardtop, there's an option that handles a load of 200 kilograms. Hey, and just in case you're unsure, they have a fantastic deal for $5,000. 2 team members will come over to help you pick and expertly set up your gear.
$78 million cars. That's over 1 billion wheels that need maintenance, changing, and storage. So, the folks behind this lift definitely chose a smart time to present their version 2.0. It can raise wheels up to 5.3 meters high, while requiring only 1.4 meters of space between racks to move around. It can handle up to 180 kilograms of weight, and depending on the battery, it'll run for either 3 or 10 hours. They even throw in a rear-view camera as a cool standard feature.